The USB or Universal Serial Bus allows you to connect a variety of peripherals to a computer by using a single common standard. These devices can be connected or disconnected at any time. The USB cable features two ends and two connector types. The USB-A connector attaches to the computer or a USB hub. The B connector attaches to the peripheral. In addition to the B connector are a variety of smaller connectors. The USB Mini is used to attach media devices such as digital cameras. The USB Micro is used for cell phones and other devices, and the USB-C connector can be plugged in the proper way each time. The USB connectors are color-coded based on the USB version. White, gray, and blue. Red and yellow are also used, which represent powered USB 3.0 ports for charging phones. The PC acts as a primary USB hub into which you can connect USB peripherals. For more USB ports, you add a USB hub to the system. All told, you can attach up to 127 devices to your PC, though I assume you'll use a quantity far less than that. USB hub has come in both powered and powerless types. A powered USB hub requires a connection to a power source. So the hub connects both to a USB port, say on the computer itself, as well as plugs into a wall socket or power strip. These hubs are required for USB-powered devices are those peripherals that use the USB cable as the device's power supply. These devices include USB scanners, hard drives, and similar peripherals. Ensure that you connect these devices to a powered USB hub or to the computer itself, or the device won't run properly. Some devices, specifically high-speed devices like external drives, benefit from a direct connection to the console. If a USB hard drive isn't performing up to specs, then connect it directly to the console. Another issue might be performance, especially with USB 3 devices. Always use USB 3 ports color-coded blue for USB 3 devices beyond the USB connection. USB peripherals may require troubleshooting. First, try disconnecting and reconnecting the device, especially when the peripheral lacks an on-off switch. Do not try disconnecting or reconnecting USB storage, however. Instead, use Windows to properly eject these peripherals before detaching the cable. Some USB peripherals may require extra software to function. For example, fancy gaming keyboards need software installed so that you can access specific functions. This software is available with the peripheral. Otherwise, obtain it directly from the manufacturer's website. As a tip, check the peripheral's notification icon on the taskbar. In many cases, you can click on that icon to access the manufacturer's website and check for software updates.